Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time clicking onto my video, welcome. I hope you subscribe, and I hope you also turn on your notifications bell so that you'll be updated each and every time I post a new video. So in today's video, we're gonna make some easy, delicious breakfast muffins. So I had 2 overripe bananas, so I decided to make these muffins. So I pulled the 2 bananas and then I added them in the bowl, and then I was just mashing them. After you're done mashing them, you add 2 eggs, and then you just beat it or whisk it together just like that. After you're done whisking the eggs and everything, you're gonna add about quarter cup of oil, and you're also gonna add half a cup of fresh milk, and you're just gonna mix everything together. Next, you're gonna add vanilla muffin mix. I also had vanilla muffin mix in the cupboard, so I just used that. I used about 2 cups of the mix, but then I was adding it in parts. So yeah, you're just gonna mix like that up until you get the consistency that you want. So the consistency wasn't okay, so I just decided to add more flour, more muffin mix. I use specifically the vanilla one. So yeah, you're gonna see me mixing up until all the flour and everything is incorporated, and I'm gonna set it aside. You can clearly see that in this video I don't want to be doing dishes, I don't want to be doing any hard complicated baking or whatever. So I just took some cupcake thingies, and then I lined the whole tray, and now you see me adding the butter in there. So I wanted a variety of the muffins. I wanted, just to have a variety. So in the last 2 you see I added some dark chocolate chunks. I just had dark chocolate, so I just cut it, and then I added it into the mix, and then now I'm adding it into the tray as well, just like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that up until all the butter is finished. So once I was done adding butter into the cupcake trays, I topped some of them with chocolate, and then for the other 2 I wanted a healthier version of it, so I topped it with some seed mix. So yeah, after that I baked them at 160 for 25 minutes, and yeah guys, they turned out so good and they were so delicious. I enjoyed mine with a cup of coffee. That's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.